Welcome back, and I have a fun little treat for us today. Now, we've been celebrating all things fall festivals, county fairs, and you know, the phenomenon that's happened over the last several years is to take anything and everything and deep fry it, right? But one of the things I think that has surfaced and has really become a fan favorite is deep fried pickles. So we're going to do that today, and I'm going to show you how to do it right at home. It's so easy. So first you take your all-purpose flour, a little bit of Italian seasoning, now then a little bit of, this is the extra bold Tony Chachere or Chachere's or however you say that. But anyway, it's the one that's extra bold, so it's got that little extra kick of cayenne, and I'm using that today just because it's got all the seasonings in it already that I want. Little pinch of salt, little extra pinch of pepper. We do want these high on the savory end on the dredge. All right, now we'll whisk all that together. And guys, you know how in the restaurants, you usually see them as the pickle chips, right? The little small pieces. But today, I wanted to go big. Go big, go big, 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 big. Anyway, today, I want to go a little bit bigger than that. So we're going to take our spears, which I have laid out on a paper towel for several hours to get them nice and dry. And then we're just going to roll them in the dredge. Give it a little bit of a shake. All right, and then into the oil it goes. We're going to get that oil moving a little bit. And you're going to cook these guys, most things that you deep fry like this, you're going to cook at about 375 degrees. Our pickles have been in there. They took a while. I think they took about a total of 15 minutes to fry till they were golden brown. And remember, right, I can't stress this enough, you guys. When using hot oil like this, you need to take the time to set everything safely, right? Right. And remember that I told you when I did the before I dredged the pickles, I had laid them out on a paper towel to drain and kind of dry a little bit, and that they were probably out for probably about 8 hours before I dredged them in the flour mixture. So just a couple of steps of precaution so that you can have your wonderful treat and be safe. Okay, you guys, here is our fair food, deep fried pickles. And what better to serve those with than homemade ranch dressing? Oh my goodness sakes, what a treat, right? And guys, if you do these at home, don't forget to check out the video on the homemade funnel cakes and the homemade cherry pie filling that you can decorate your funnel cake with, and the deep fried pickles you've seen, and the homemade corn dogs. And you guys, with all of these wonderful treats, you can make a fall festival for your family right in your own home. How wonderful is that? Oh my goodness sakes, cannot wait to try these. You guys, make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you haven't already, so that you can see all the videos we're uploading for you each and every week. And we'll see you next time. Happy fall.